friends, yo. My name is Chino 360. I came from the 1960s. I don't know how to rap because I am a whack. I wish I could do the things that I do. What? The things that I do. What? Yo, check this out. I did not see you. Beverly Rose. Check it out, check it out. Damn, that girl's butt is on fire! No! That sound like a motherfucking horse. Hey yo! It smell like onions. Y'all know what onions is? In Spanish they call it cebolla. Yo! Wow! Damn, Chino, you are one ugly motherfucker, bro! Yo, the ugly, rude motherfucker.